Hello, in this video I will present you a visualization. This visualization allows you to explore the evolution of gender representation in movies from 1985 to today. You can select a specific year using the slider at the bottom. Selecting a year will update the dashboard with the movies from that year. In all visualizations, blue color represents male and red color represents female gender. On the left you can see all the movies from this year. The x-axis shows the movie budget, the y-axis shows the revenue, the size of the circles represents the movie popularity, and the color represents the gender of the main star. You can choose to color the circles by the gender of the director using the button at the bottom. Additionally, you can select a specific region to zoom in. Double-clicking will zoom out to the initial view. Hovering over a movie will show its name, and clicking on it will take you to the detailed view where you can see the movie poster, overview, director, main star, and watch the movie trailer. The second visualization in the top right shows a network of movie collaborations between directors and main stars. Here, the directors are shown with chair icons and actors are shown with user icons with little stars. Using the search bar allows you to find and highlight a person. You can use this to track them in different years. Using the buttons at the bottom, you can show or hide specific types of nodes. For example, you can hide all male actors. Hovering over a node will show the role and name of that person. Clicking on the node will show the detailed view for that person and highlight their movies on the left plot. The third visualization at the bottom right shows the representation of male and female stars in specific genres. You can choose to see the representation of director using the button at the bottom. Hovering over a bar will show the percentage, and clicking on it will show the top most popular movies in that category. Clicking on a poster will highlight the movie on the left plot, and double-clicking will open the detailed view for that movie. Finally, clicking on a person in this view will highlight it in the network to the right. Thank you for your attention.